What do you see? I see a bird. Look at me. Fix that now.
Red bird, red bird.
You see. Hello.
Yellow duck, yellow duck. What do you see? I see a... What is it?
No.
Blue horse. Keep reading. Keep reading.
Walk. Purple cat.
Purple cat. Purple cat, purple cat. What do you see?
Crook it.
When did you break it?
Crook it.
It's broken, yeah.
Amendment.
Who's that?
Amendment.
Yeah, another one. Read the book.
Amendment.
Logan, you're not reading the book, honey.
Amendment.
Another one, yeah.
Crook it.
It's broken, yes, we know.
Amendment.
But yes, another one. Brown bear. Wait, goldfish, goldfish. What do you see? I see a... I see a... Who is that?
Teacher.
Teacher looking at me. Teacher, teacher, what do you see? I see... Children. Looking at me.
Crook it.
I know it's broken, honey.
Two.
Yep.
Crook it. And boy. No, I crook a car.
Yeah,
Crook it.
it's broken on the girl.
And
E and.
right back. Oh,
Do you need help?
Beer.
A bear.
Bird. Duck.
Yellow
A
duck.
horse.
And a horse.
Bird.
A bird. Red bird.
Green bird.
Green frog.
Yellow duck. Blue horse. Green frog.
Good boy. What? The end.